This changes everything. And nobody saw it coming. Google AI Studio is now sponsoring Tailwind CSS. This just happened. And most people completely missed it. Before this, everything was manual, time-consuming, expensive. This changes the entire game. Here's what everyone misses. Here's the breakdown. Google simplifies everything into 3 core parts. The process is instant. What used to take hours now takes seconds. But here's the real story. This isn't just about speed. It fundamentally changes who can compete. Small teams now have enterprise capabilities. The playing field just leveled. Which means, products will ship faster. Quality becomes the only differentiator. And if you're not adapting, you are falling behind. Early adopters are already seeing 10x improvements. Companies are rebuilding their entire stack around this. The momentum is real. And this is just version 1. The roadmap includes real-time collaboration, AI-powered optimization, and full automation. It gets better every week. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Subscribe if you want to see what's next. Because it's happening faster than you think.